Does this sound familiar? No insurance and asthma? The name of this podcast is Asthmaniac. I'm Dr. Tim Reichon, and I designed this podcast to give my asthma patients essential information about asthma. My goal is to put asthma patients in control of their breathing, preventing asthma attacks, and pursuing active, rested, and fulfilled lives with confidence. So you have no insurance and you have asthma. I say no problem. I mean it. I don't care that you don't have insurance. I designed Asthmaniac to deliver asthma care to asthma sufferers that don't have insurance, don't have a doctor, and have too much anxiety because of this. I will be your asthma doctor. I charge an affordable, fair price for having your doctor on your smartphone, making sure you have rescue inhalers, making sure you have state-of-the-art medicine for asthma control, making sure you know how to manage your asthma on a day-to-day basis, making sure you have access to the latest medicine for asthma, making sure you have the best tools for self-management, all at the price of $50 per doctor visit. If you have well-controlled asthma, you need 3 doctor visits a year to make sure that you have all your needed medicines prescribed and that your asthma hasn't changed into a more severe type. In addition, I make sure you know how to respond if your breathing gets worse. $50 per visit. That's $200 a year. A doctor in your back pocket coaching you to greater confidence and less anxiety about your asthma. Uninsured asthma care, a core feature of Asthmaniac. Asthmaniac is all online, all about asthma. Your go-to for asthma doctor visits, asthma medication refills, personalized asthma action plans, and asthma education. Asthmaniac.com.